Hello, this is Tyler with Theater Design Company. Figured I'd give you a quick introduction to what type of equipment we use on our projects. I had a conversation with a customer last night, and he mentioned it must be nice for us just to be able to have a small tool bag and head out to projects and not have to bring tools and everything else out. So here's the typical tools we bring to a basic job. This is not a commercial job or anything higher end. This is our basic everyday tools in our van or service vehicles. So I'll run through what we got here. So we'll have parts kits for all our TV mounting, hard hat, safety vest, vacuum, label maker, hacksaw, pencils, tape, double back tape, specialty tools for pulling TVs, chisels, 2 or 3 different drills. I actually like to have 2 impacts and 2 drills for every job. Large floodlight. And then our hand tools. So basically I have stud finder, level, metric tape measure, normal tape measure, files for keeping tools sharp, another level, sheetrock saw, couple punch down tools for Cat 5, RJ45 tools, strippers. I like the USOG wire cutters, soldering iron, tester for power, have some more cutters, network tester, ID tester, a couple punch down tools, RG6 tool for compression, strippers, telephone scissors. I like to keep a laser level for quick measurements, Klein multimeter, Fluke tone and trace. Also use the continuity on that to test alarm sensors. A couple cable fitting tools, whole gamut of screwdrivers, nut drivers, DIN screwdriver. The little clear case there has certain things for rings or doorbirds, mid-Atlantic, some uni bits. Got to have both sides of both metric and American or SAE torques, and you name it. Flashlight. So we use a blower on the van in case we have some dust. We can blow that away. 6-pack battery charger, so we always have a battery that's charged. Pencils, pins. You can see some fish rods, a couple different fish tapes, some paint tools. Pan around here, we've got some test tools that I put in a bag, some basic wrenches, crescent wrenches, PoE switch. Then we have in these bins, so we'll have that bottom bin is completely full of HDMI cables up to 30 feet. The second bin has network cables from 1 foot to 15 foot. And then the top one has everything you can imagine for wall plates or connectors. And then if we go to the very top one, the red kit is a paint kit in case we need to do some touch-ups. Got spray texture in there. The white bin will have J boxes and items for putting TV mounts in. Other stuff in the background is for jobs, testers. Hard hats, I think I went over that. And then 90% of these tools fit in a couple tool bins and that tool bag. So apologize for the mess in the background. Hey guys, so I didn't record this part. I just did a couple nice images of the tools all packed up. So basically what you're seeing is hard hats again. Below that we've got our Klein little cooler to put some soda, waters in, whatever. Fish tapes, fish rods are set up there. Bottom box basically holds all the drills, all that good stuff there. Second box holds our meters and lasers for leveling, and the open box is more of a general, catch-all for wrenches and screwdrivers. And then on top of that, you've got your drill bit set, and then the tool bag. Kind of see everything on that table is in that tool bag. And then to the right, you got our Milwaukee, couple hardware toolkits with TV hardwares, nuts, bolts, touch-up paint kit, and then our 3 bins with HDMI cables, network cables, TV install parts. Then I've got a video here of everything loaded up in the van. And generally on a project like this we'll run out, we've got a 5-foot ladder, 4-foot ladder, and then we have obviously in our arsenal everything up to 12-foot ladders and a 1932 man lift for doing larger commercial jobs, and then tons of tools for commercial jobs. I mean, roto hammers, larger lasers, bigger levels, and then our shop for the theater portion has it's a full wood shop. In essence, it has everything from table saws, belt sanders, and then we can do mobile with all that. And then we have bins and bins and bins of parts with fabric tool parts, heat guns, glue guns, you name it. So just wanted to highlight the video in general with all the stuff we use on the day-to-day basis, and then we expand it from there. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below with any tools or request on how to do something, anything like that. Thanks a lot.